is My Negosyo.
Hi, my name is Chelsea Hilliam Lim, and this is My Negosyo.
Welcome to Papa V's Good Food.
Welcome to Dexter's Pizza.
My name is Cecilia. I own the Papa V Good Food. We start this business last year. So, kami sa una, hayahay ramam, ride lang kay tungod. Wala pa nakauna-una. So, pag abot atong pandemic, boring sa balay. Kumbaga, feel ni mo, ako na-depress ko, feel na ko, murag, parang, wala na yung future ba? So, mo to, para ma-divert akong attention nga, dili ko maguna-huna about ani. So, naghuna-huna ako nga, why, di ko magluto. Total, kabalo man kumuluto. Total, na ko knowledge gamay ani nga mga food. Mao to, nag-start ko ani ma'am nga para dili kay ko, malugmok bitaw ma'am sa kanang depression nga tungod aning pandemic. So nganong Papa V kay tungod akong partner is a biker. Ilado siya. Papa V ang tawag sa iya. So, dali ra siya makuan, mahinumduman. And pag moingon nga Papa V, oh, good food. So, mao dayon to, Papa V lang kay tungod. Siya man good huna-huna ani nga concept, ma'am. Actually, ako ang concept, more on Thai, Chinese, and Filipino. So, mautong, iyang giingon nga kanilang kay tungod sa saya, dili siya mukaon og ato nga food. So, ako, nag-learn jud ko ani nga kind of food. So, sa Papa V, ang among cuisine, Mediterranean food, like for example, Turkish food, like Arabic food. And naami kani among product, shakshuka, popular breakfast from Israel. And then kani nga kind of food, kebab, beef kebab. Actually sa Turkish na beef Adana kebab. So naghimo na lang sa mig amo ang mahuna-hunaan nga para medyo interesting tanawon ba. So mauna manakish and kebab and chicken. This one chicken. Ang spices anak ma'am, 12 kind of spices na may tulo ka kain nga sauce, primero, kanang tahini. Tahini gina siya. Tahini sauce, it come from kanang sesame paste. So, raw na siya, and then among lemon, salt, and that's why mahimo siyang inana dayon. Ang hummus ma'am, made by chickpeas. Kuana siya, kanang latan jud kaayo. And then, before ana, mga 4 hours or 5 hours na mo siya latan. And after that, kanang pabugnaon, maghimo mig hummus. Hummus inside, tahini, a lemon, you put a little garlic, and olive oil, cumin, and salt. Blend na namo siya, ma'am, to become, paste. So, ang hummus, healthy kay siya, kay wala siya fat, wala cholesterol, everything. Ang amba sauce, ma'am, composed by mango. Real mango. So we add fenugreek, and some curry, and other spices, and everything. So wala siya sugar, no nothing. And lutuon, and after that, a blend. The other one, the red sauce, we calling this harissa. Harissa sauce is bell pepper, roasted bell pepper. So same, we roast the bell pepper, and after we put on the blender with some diced tomato, green chili, garlic, cumin, and onions, everything, tomato paste, and cumin also, and other, other spices. Duha ka version sa shawarma, ibutang na mo sa packet pita like this one, kani pita bread. So and the other one is kani sa wrap, oni siya. And then inside sa wrap, sa chicken shawarma wrap, actually same ram gyapon siya sa pita bread. Naa siya hummus, filled with hummus. And kung customer ganahan sila spicy, mo add mig katong harissa. And then harissa and amba, katong mango. And kung ingon sila nga butangag french fries, mo add mig french fries. So actually na cabbage salad, tomato, cucumber, onion, pickles, everything on the inside the wrap. So same wrap pud siya sa pita bread. So ang kalahian sa amo ang shawarma, kaya ang amo authentic yun siya. Walay sugar, wala siya na twist sa Filipino manggod. Ako nag-critic sa Filipino kay mawatong nandan. So actually ganahan sa shawarma sa isa kanang medyo na sweet gamay. So ang amo dili siya tamis. And authentic yun siya, ma'am. Spicy, everything kanang dili nimo siya sana makit-an diri nga sa ato ang syudad. Amo ara lahi ang amo ang kind of shawarma. Kay ang uban dili maka ang sauce man good walay mayonnaise, walay sugar, so more on tahini and spicy. Actually ma'am, 90% Filipino. Young Filipino ang among customers. They're open-minded na nga mo try ani nga kind of food. And usually, okay ra sa ila ha. Mubalik ra mo sila.
My name is Chelsea Hilliam Alim. I am still a second-year student in marketing. Before Dexter's, I was hoping to start a business alongside with my father, and I didn't have any means to do so just because, well, I don't know where to start. And my father, as a mentor, I asked for his advice on what business should I start. So we went from going from cafes to bake shops to also, if I recall, it was another place like boba shop. Starting from the opportunity my dad gave me just this year, he told me, "Ate, here's the business. I am giving you an opportunity to work it out yourself. I will help you on the sidelines, but I will not help you along the way. You have to think for it for yourself because you are my daughter. You are a daughter of a businessman, therefore you should know. And as a businessman, you don't immediately go things straight ahead. So you just research." So judging by his advice, I started researching how to run a pizza, how to become a good manager, how to run operations, purchasing orders, and accounting. Dexter's Pizza actually was founded by Sir Bill Advincola. He's the founder of Dexter's Pizza since 2002. The name for Dexter's Pizza was actually because of his Actually, because of their son's favorite cartoon program, which is Dexter's Lab. So, Sir Bill, being a food specialist, he was like thinking, what if I make a pizza parlor that could cater the Filipinos' taste? And why not pizza? After experimenting with different flavors and having trials and error, he finally found the perfect pizza combination along with other food combos that other Filipinos might like. As the name suggests, it's called Dexter's Pizza Parlor. So we offer a lot of pizzas from the classics such as Yummy Ham and Cheese and Hawaiian Hula, and other varieties other Filipinos may not have heard of. For example, like our bacon cheeseburger, our monster meat pizza, our Dexter's German sausage, and the like. So right now, as you can see, we have our best sellers, which is the beef shawarma, the beef shawarma pizza, and the chicken shawarma pizza. But I can attest that the way how they make their dough, starting from their special beef and their special cheese, is that it makes our shawarma more creamier, more tastier, and more savory. So the moment you take a bite, you have that hit back na your shawarma cravings will be satisfied immediately, because this is the shawarma that hits home. Like the flavors pack a punch, Jud. For me, beef shawarma is actually a masterpiece made all around the world with different flavors. But what we cater the most to our customers is the Filipino-style shawarma. Because for us, Pinoy pride. If you think of shawarma, you think of the tortilla wrap. So you won't exactly expect shawarma to be on a pizza, but at the same time taste good as a shawarma wrap. So what Mr. Bill did is like create a cheese where the taste would be soft and mellow, but at the same time bring out the pizza full to its flavor along with its shawarma essence. Everything was going well until pandemic started hitting, and we started getting, our sales is good, it's doing well, to be honest, but we're hoping more. For now, we're still focusing on doing our social media, since this is the only way for us to market our brand awareness and to bring customers to us.
Ang mga challenges, ma'am, usahay kanang wala jud siya tao, and then so, ang among na-learn, more on marketing lang yun siya, and we serve quality food. Consistent ang food. Kinahanglan nga dili tiperon sa spices, kung unsa to ilang natilawan, primero, maod jud ilang natilawan, same nga mo balik sila.
It's all of the nervousness, but along the way you get used to it. And as long as you get used to it, you meet mentors, people who have experiences, and you learn from them. It's a give and take. It's a beautiful give and take relationship with them. I've had people from other businesses asking me how was I doing, and they would offer their advices. Their advices I would take great into my heart, just so because I'm still young, I'm still new to this.
Ang customers gyud imong kinahanglan kung unsa ilang reklamo, imong ikuan sa imong self nga kinahanglan ka nga i-improve. Kay for example, mingon sila nga, ay kuan man ni ang imong food, di ko ganahan ani pwede ana, so ay bugnaw na naabot diri, ay nagkatag ang sauce. So next time ana ma'am, amo jud i-make sure nga okay ang packaging pag-deliver, and walay nausik, walay nahabilin, basta kanang ang comfort sa ilaha priority nila, kay sila man ang kumbaga naghatag sad sa mga nga makakontinue ani.
You also have to take in the accounts that your business may or may not succeed, and there's also a chance that it might fail. But that's okay. That's the challenges and opportunities. Every challenges you face is an opportunity for you to grow, not just your business but yourself as a person. It's okay to be nervous. It's okay to be afraid of the uncertainties you might face. But my advice is that go lang jud.